Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished your TradingView charts could be a little bit clearer about which stock you're looking at, or maybe you just want that professional look for screenshots or sharing, then today's tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to add a custom watermark, like the stock name or ticker, right onto the background of your TradingView charts. It's a quick upgrade that can really make your analysis pop, and it helps keep everything organized if you like to work with multiple charts open at once. So let's dive right in and I'll walk you through the steps, explaining each part along the way to make sure it all makes sense. Let's start with the chart open in TradingView. The first thing you want to do is right-click anywhere on the chart itself. If you're new to the platform, don't worry, just make sure you're clicking in the charting area, not on the top or side menus. Give it a right click and that brings up the context menu. From there, you'll want to select Settings. This opens up the settings window where you can customize almost every element of your chart. Now that you're in the settings panel, look for the option labeled Canvas. Sometimes these menus can feel overwhelming, but Canvas is basically TradingView's term for the chart background, the blank space behind your price bars, lines, or candles. Go ahead and click on Canvas. Within the Canvas section, you'll see a setting called Watermark. This is what will add that subtle, informative background text. Find the watermark setting and make sure you check it to turn it on. Once you do, you'll notice a few ways to tweak the watermark. It might be hard to spot at first if the default opacity is too low, so let's make it stand out. The next thing you'll want to do here is adjust the color and opacity. Click on the color swatch to pick the shade you want for your watermark. It's often smart to pick something with a little contrast, light gray for dark backgrounds or a navy if you're keeping things bright. Once you've got a color, play with the opacity slider. Opacity controls how transparent the watermark is. If you set it too low, you might not even see it. Too high and it could crowd out your candles or lines, making things harder to read. I usually find somewhere around 50% opacity gives a nice balance. It's visible but not distracting. Don't worry if you have to adjust it a couple of times to get it just right. Everyone has different preferences for how prominent their watermark should be. Finally, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you decide what information will actually show up as the watermark. You can choose to display the ticker symbol, the interval, like 1H or 1D for hourly or daily charts, the description, or the replay mode if you're running through past data. For most people, showing the ticker and maybe the interval is perfect, especially if you're managing several charts side by side. Play around with these options and see what makes your workflow smoother, and honestly, that's all there is to it. It might just take a few moments, but now your TradingView chart has that helpful, personalized watermark on the background. This little tweak can save you a lot of confusion when juggling between stocks or if you're sharing snapshots with clients or friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other TradingView tricks you'd like to learn. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy charting.